Are you looking for the Revopoint MIRACO 3D scanner? In this video we will look at some of the Revopoint MIRACO 3D scanner on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. Over the past few weeks, we have been testing the latest MIRACO scanner from Revopoint, a 3D scanning technology company. The device is portable and versatile, and includes a range of features that cater to both novice users and seasoned professionals. It could well be the go-to device for anyone needing reliable, high-quality 3D scanning on the go. Let's take a further look at what the scanner has to offer. Designed for on-site scanning needs, the device comes equipped with a robust carrying case and wrist strap. The case features magnetic buttons that allow for one-handed opening and includes a pouch for the charger. The over-molded grip is reminiscent of holding a high-end DSLR camera, making it comfortable for extended use. Whether scanning in a controlled environment or out in the field, the MIRACO's portability is a huge plus. The device is super responsive, phone-sized screen flips up and in, accounting for the glare during outdoor scans. This setup also enables users to take 3D selfies. The MIRACO offers two scanning modes, far and near mode. Far mode is designed to capture larger objects like sculptures, with a scanning distance of 300 mm to 1000 mm, yielding the best results between 35 cm and 90 cm. However, the functionality of this mode could do with some work, as it proved quite difficult to scan larger objects without losing the position. Near mode works well for detailed, close-up scans within a 10 cm to 30 cm range. Switching between these modes is seamless and takes an average of 4 seconds, assumingly thanks to the 16 GB of RAM. When starting a scan, you are presented with 3 different screens, one for controlling white balance, one for lighting, and one for the scan itself, making it easy to capture materials and textures. Battery life in color mode, with all 3 screens open, is roughly 4 hours. The color control interfaces can be hidden using the hamburger menu, allowing you to focus all of your attention on the scan screen. Additionally, users familiar with Android phones will appreciate the drop-down settings interface for accessing device settings, connecting to Wi-Fi, and other essential functions. However, the storage settings aren't accessible from this menu and must be found in the right side settings panel. The feedback from the Start and Stop Scanning button provides a tactile experience reminiscent of photography cameras. You can also access color modes at the top of the interface, allowing you to add or remove color from scans quickly. The device supports single-shot and continuous modes. We found that the continuous mode, which worked best for non-studio settings, was our preferred mode. Complex steps like fusion can be quickly completed on a computer, but even when processing directly on the device itself, it only takes a few minutes. Data transfer is seamless, with scans transferable via Wi-Fi or USB. However, the Wi-Fi can sometimes be buggy, so using the provided USB cable is often the more reliable option. The model editing tab of the scanner allows for quick mesh reworks, with your finger becoming a lasso tool, easily drawing, rotating, and isolating areas of a mesh that are problematic or incomplete. With 256 GB of storage, the MIRACO can store a significant number of scans and models, although it struggled with details smaller than 0.05 mm and objects smaller than 2 cm x 2 cm x 2 cm. The device allows for pausing and inspecting during scans. The editing process is straightforward: scan, click the tick, and select one tap edit, which does a lot of the work for you and provides a mesh for further processing. You can also screen record and screenshot on the scanner itself, enabling more flexible workflows when collaborating across different locations. When using near mode for capturing sharp geometrical features, some softening can occur during the mesh operation. However, the level of detail captured is still impressive and is suitable for most professional applications, including reverse engineering. Final thoughts. The Revopoint MIRACO is an impressive device that delivers reliable results with high levels of accuracy. Its user-friendly design, coupled with thoughtful accessories and flexible workflow options, makes it easy to recommend, despite minor issues like occasional Wi-Fi bugs and slight softening in near mode. While the interface can be overwhelming at first, the built-in tutorials make the learning curve more manageable. The files exported from the scanner are almost always in need of some post-processing to ensure objects are watertight if they are going to be 3D printed. A removable, rechargeable battery would have also been a nice touch. Tip: remember to turn off base mode when scanning objects freehand or if they are rectangular, as the technology may not pick up the flat surface otherwise. Overall, for those looking for a reliable, portable, and high-performing 3D scanner, the Revopoint MIRACO is definitely worth considering.